Well, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Hear me okay? Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is show you one of the products that we have built, what it does. Basically, it's a video delivery platform, helps you do interactive videos, and how we are doing it in the cloud world. What are the couple of problems we faced, and what choices we made to kind of get around those. So I'll give you a quick overview of that in the next 10 to 15 minutes. My name is Shrikant. I work with Harbinger Systems. We primarily do software product development and advanced testing. Some of the domains that we work in are HCM, healthcare, e-learning, and digital publishing. We have our own products in the e-learning space. So this video platform that you see is more or less in the interactivity and e-learning platform. We do work with a lot of emerging technology. You see that IoT, cloud, big data. We help software product companies build their products in some of these technologies, in addition to building our own products. Quickly, we'll start with a demo video just to show you. You might have seen a lot of videos, so this is just an example of a video. We'll look at this video just from a sample perspective, just to get an idea of how it changes when you do interactive videos after looking at this. So it should load here if my connection is good. Okay. So this is any generic video that you would see in YouTube, any of the. So it's without any interactions. It is just a skateboarding video. And we filmed it with one of our CEO kind of doing this, kiteboarding. He loves to do that whenever he gets a chance. So that's a pretty simple, straightforward video, right? You would find it on YouTube. You would do many things. So we will see what happens when you do make it interactive. What benefits it can give you. Before we get into the actual video, let's take a look at some of the trends. So if you go 10 years back, even before we were using videos in a big way for enterprises, we were doing a lot of text and images. And in the recent past, we built a lot of static videos. That means there was a lot of videos that we created to engage users and to train users. But what we see as a future is that you take these videos and you have to make them more interactive. You have to make sure that videos will live longer. They change as per user. They change as per location. And how do you do that is by using a software product like our video delivery platform. We call it Exaltive. And how you did text and images in the past is basically delivered them to some sort of portal. The videos were custom developed by some sort of production houses. However, we are going to take both these together, mix it with a video editing platform which is online, and deliver that value for you. So what happens in this case is that when we went from text to images, which were highly personalized, highly customized. You could change the images on the fly based on the user. When we went to static videos, though the engagement was high, the personalization and customization element of the videos were very low. Everybody just saw the same video. Nothing changed for them. Or there was no way for you to, after a month or 2 months, change anything in the video. Whereas with dynamic videos, you would get very high engagement, but at the same time, a great amount of personalization and customization. So how we do that? what does Exaltive, the video platform that we're building, give you? It has a video delivery platform. Along with, we are also giving custom video libraries where you can get started with. Maybe if you have benefits, onboarding, we're giving you some videos right out of the box, so which you can use and customize as well. So in short, what it delivers is something which is highly interactive, something which is highly customizable, and it's integrated within your enterprise platform. That means we will integrate the product into your enterprise systems in such a way that if you're configuring things in your enterprise systems, in your content management system, it'll reflect on these videos. That means you don't have to recode them and put them again into this video. So sometimes you change an organization, you change employee information, you change some data, and that data can get overlaid dynamically on top of these videos without you having to change or re-edit those videos. Some of the choices and challenges we have faced as far as video streaming is concerned. How many of you are familiar with video streaming? Okay, so basically we had these two options to do either progressive or HTTP based, and we spent about probably 3 to 4 months deciding which way to go. And we have fallen back right now on progressive because we wanted to use the default browser video tag, and it supports progressive out of the box, whereas the HTTP streaming, which Apple supports, and it's all the Apple QuickTime library depends upon that. So for Apple devices, we are using HLS, but for all others, we are using progressive. So you'd say 90% of our videos that we deliver or we make interactive uses the progressive streaming mechanism. Though the HLS is very efficient. I mean, it's better. It's more domain and data efficient. But if you're building a video platform, you probably are good with progressive. If you want to be ubiquitous, you want to reach out to everybody and support everything. So that's something that if you are doing something in the video space, you may want to look at. As far as cloud platform is concerned, when we evaluated some of them, we did AWS was quite popular primarily because of the cost and the reach factor, because it was very easy to set up, very easy to get accounts from, much cheaper. We evaluated Rackspace as well, and we found it highly responsive. We were getting excellent support, and we did Azure as well. With Azure, what happened is part of our technology on the server side is built using Microsoft, so there was a good reason to lean towards Microsoft Azure, but eventually we were able to get both the Rackspace advantage as well as the Azure advantage by going with Amazon and tweaking our performance and making it more efficient. AWS, you kind of need to spend a lot of time to get it working out of the box. It doesn't work with the same performance and same responsiveness as some of the other platforms, but you can get that. And my recommendation is that if you're in the long haul, and in case of a video space, the cost was a big factor because we wanted to make sure that if we are delivering videos and streaming, the cheapest platform out there and the most popular one, we wanted to use that, and that required a lot of development and fine-tuning on our side. As far as performance is concerned, we were talking, because we wanted to make these videos interactive, we were talking with the enterprise systems, we were talking with the video metadata which we are collecting, and we were talking with the CDN networks. So all three together form the Exaltive. So Exaltive as a platform is a combination of these 2 or 3 things, all done at runtime. So we used a lot of JavaScript libraries. We used a lot of runtime streaming, and the data, because it's coming from 3 different systems and we don't store the data. So at runtime, it gets mixed with the videos. So we did a lot of client-side programming to make sure that actually happens. And because when you have hundreds and thousands of videos, you want to make sure that still they are performance efficient. So we felt that instead of doing all of that on the server, if we do it on the client side, we'll get that much more efficiency. So these tiny bits of data we are collecting on the client and then displaying at one time. Quickly, a demo video, how an exaltive video looks like, the same video that we did out there. It has a nice little introduction so that people know what they're watching. A description about what's going on. So this is very elementary kind of interactions that we have put, which is just text, images. There can be some deeper level interactions as well, which I'll just show you in a minute. So things like, now that is like getting feedback from the user. Technically, you wouldn't know whether how the user experienced this video, and you want to make sure that you are capturing some of this information. And as people are experiencing videos on mobile phones and different kinds of devices, people want to know what they like in a video, what they don't like in a video. And only way to do that is to add these interactions and mix it with the videos so that you know and how you can deliver better experiences for existing. Especially in training context, onboarding context, this is very important that you want to get a lot of feedback. And the images that you saw were like extra images which were captured during the course of this video, which were not included in this video, but a user can browse those if you wanted. Like you can end your videos with a Q&A. So that's an interaction that you can put here. People can take a look at it. You can capture that assessment data. You can next time make better quality videos, or even judge the performance of an individual, whether he actually understood the material that was delivered to this video. So all of this information is stored. It's not mixed with the videos. It's stored separately from the videos. So you could have your own video platform. You could have your own enterprise system. You just need to do the exaltive cloud-based software, connect it, and you don't have to do anything with your videos. You don't have to do anything with your enterprise systems. It will just seamlessly give you this interface to add these interactions, to in a cloud way deploy your video solution and make the video experience much more richer for your end user. So it's called as Exaltive, and it's coming up. If you are interested in a beta, come to our booth, register for it. We'll be more than happy to put you on that. In addition to that, we are also working on a cloud-based security software. It's called as NetTrust with one of our customers, Tessera. They are here demonstrating that. So if you're interested in security, cloud security, and to secure your infrastructure, secure your machines, monitor networks, then that's feel free to drop in and meet them in person. They are running a demo. So anytime you're interested to know, to spot any malware in your phones or in your networks, what to use and where to go, they will guide you for that. Thank you. You can write to me if you have any questions on this product or about Harbinger. I'll be more than happy to answer.